everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Do you ever wonder how many different revenue streams I have? Well, we're going to go over some of the sales ones that I have. You know, I sell on Poshmark, Amazon, eBay, all of those different platforms, and even on hookedonpickin.com. So I'm going to give you 1 day of sales on all 4 of those platforms so you can see exactly how I sell, where I sell, and how much money I made on this one particular day. Okay, so let's start with eBay. It's kind of the oldest reselling market that most people know about. We're going to start with all of our eBay sales for this one particular day. So the first thing that I sold on this day was a Daisy 880 multi-pump air rifle. I sold actually, I think 7 of these. This was awesome. So I sold it for $40, but I offered free shipping on this. And so I ended up, after free shipping and after all my fees, making about $20. So there was that item. Then on eBay, of course, you've seen my candy boxes, and I still got some more for sale on eBay. I have some also for sale on hookedonpickin.com, and I'll also show you my sales on hookedonpickin.com. For each one of the candy boxes that sold, I made $10. So I actually sold 3 this day. So I sold this one, and this one on eBay. Then the next thing that I sold on eBay was a really cute wallet that actually could be used as a clutch purse. And so I sold it for $17.99. $7.85 is what they paid in shipping. So after fees and everything, I made about $13 on this one. And then the last item that I sold on eBay is an assorted cell phone accessories box. And a lot of these could go for sale on eBay itself. I just didn't want to take the time to list all of them, so I sold them in a big bundle of 25 assorted cell phone accessories. Sold it for $50. They paid for shipping, and so I made about $40. So total on eBay this day, after fees and after all of the fees, I made about $103. Now that's not taking into consideration what I paid for each item. I'm only giving you my profit numbers, and I'm not taking out any of the cost of items on it. So $103 on eBay. So let's go ahead and jump to another platform and see how much I made on that one. All right, of course, the next big bopper that I love to sell on is Amazon Seller Central. So we're going to see all of the orders that we got on Amazon this day, which is the exact same day as the one we did on eBay. So on Amazon, I have 11 total orders on this particular day, and I'm going to show you each and everything and what it sold for. Remember, I'm not taking my product cost off, but I just want to give you sales value. I will take my Amazon fees off on this. So we sold an Honest Beauty Everything Primer for $21.99. We also sold these Reebok Toddler Snow French Terry Pull-On Shorts. Those sold for $6.81. Then the next thing we sold are these Lamo Elk Men's House Slippers. They sold right here for $12.99. Then I sold a Tresemme Anti-Frizz Smoothing Sheets that sold for $4.47 here. Then we sold a JoJo Siwa Large Cheer Hair Bow for Girls that sold for $8.50. Now remember, with Amazon, it's awesome because I do not have to ship any of these when they sell. Then next we sold, let's see, Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisture Jelly Cream. Sold for $7.20 here. Then we sold the Brady Bunch Party Game. Sold for $8.72. This was my awesome one. I sold a DC Power Supply adjustable switch regulated digital. I'm not sure exactly what this does, but it sold for awesome money. And so I actually sold it for $55.99. Then I sold a Duke Cannon Supply item here. It's like a body wash, basically. Shaving cream, sorry, for $6.99. And this is actually after all of the fees are taken off. So if you notice the difference with this item here, let me see. This item, it sold for around the $85 range. But I actually only made $55.99. So these are all prices after the fees. And then I sold 2 of these Best Brands Light Up Footballs for $11.50 a piece. Now this one was an order of 2 and this one was an order of 1. So let me add all that up and then I'll come right back to you with the total. So my total for all of the sales on Amazon is $156.66. And remember, these are super easy because I don't have to ship them. I just get the $156.66 and keep on going with my day. All right, you've seen lots of sales on Poshmark. This was a little bit of a slow day for Poshmark for me. It was a Monday. And so we're going to go ahead and check out what the Poshmark sales are on this Monday of all the sales there. So here are all my sales here, but this particular day we sold Levi's super skinny jeans. My earnings were $9.05. Then we sold some Girls Olympia Mary Jane Cat and Jack shoes, look like this. I made $3.25. Then I sold a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer outfit, and I made $13.40. Then I sold a lot of 2 Christmas gift box socks for $10.20. And then I sold for $11.05 Universal Threads jacket. And then I sold for $7.05 these really cute Merona over the knee boots that are brand new. And then I sold Carhartt Force utility leggings, for $20.60. So those were an awesome sale. Found the stock photo. And then of course took my own pictures. And then I sold a bundle, someone went Christmas crazy, $32 for a Rudolph Women's Union Suit, Christmas pajama set, and then Hanukkah pajama set. So I guess they're covering all the bases. So I'm going to add all those up and see what we sold on Poshmark this day. So we sold a total of 11 items on Poshmark for $106.60. Okay, and then last but not least, what did I sell on Hooked on Pickin? Of course, this was a great sale day for me. Usually I sell anywhere from 3 to 5 items per day, but this was a much better sale day for me because I was selling my candy boxes, which I still have a few for sale, so snatch them up quick. So I have a lot of stuff that sold yesterday, and so I'm going to show you exactly what it was. So I sold a candy box here. Every time I sell a candy box, I offer free shipping, but I make about $10 per candy box based off of what I paid for it and the fees and things. So $10 there. And then, so this is a candy box that actually sold. They look like this. Let me see if I can get it to pull up. So here's all the pictures of that. So $10 there, then another $10, then another $10, then another $10, and then another $10, and then another $10. And then I sold this really awesome, here, let me see if I can get it to pull up. WWE belt, and I made about $25 on that after my fees. And then I sold another candy box, which looks like this. Hold on, let me see if I can pull up the actual listing. There's that. And then I sold another candy box. And then this was a cool sale. I sold a Fisher Price Shimmer and Shine packaging, and I had there was damaged packaging, but I made that known in the listing, and so I made about $3 on that one because I had discounted it a bunch. And then I sold another candy box, and then I sold one of these Denim USA, you know me and my bling hats, so I sold one of these, which I made $5 on after fees, and then one more candy box. So I sold a total of, let me see, 10, 11, 12, 13 items there for a total of $133 on Hooked on Pickin. And so let me kind of share with you what the total is for this whole day. All right, here are the totals for each individual platform, and this is the reason why you want to sell on multiple platforms. You make a lot more money in your reseller business. You cannot be just a one-trick pony. You got to sell on multiple markets in order to make this an actual full-time income. So let's check out what all our totals are. So on eBay, we sold 6 items for $103. And then on Amazon Seller Central, which I absolutely love because it's the least busy one, I sold 11 items for $156.66. And this is, remember, I'm giving you totals after fees. Then on Poshmark, we sold also 11 items for $106.60. And then last but not least, my own website, Hooked on Pickin, I sold 13 items for $133. Now this is a really good day of sales on Hooked on Pickin. Usually I'm only around 4 or 5 sales, but I wanted to share this one day of sales. And then of course, our total for eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, and Hooked on Pickin is a total of one day sales of 41 items for $499.26. So this is my sales. I have deducted all of my fees. The only thing I did not deduct was my cost of purchase for each individual item. But that gives you a good idea of why you should diversify and always sell on multiple platforms. Now, I know some of you also sell on Facebook Marketplace and Mercari, and I actually did make some sales on Facebook Marketplace this week, but I just wanted to show you just the online sales here, not the in-person sales or the sales locally. So hopefully that gives you a great idea of how much you can make in one day of sales as an online reseller. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.